Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about NetSuite's advanced manufacturing capabilities. As you transform your business, and you now have requirements that include more detailed production steps, more than infinite scheduling, and real-time production reporting, you have come to the right place. As manufacturing companies grow, your challenges become more complex. Most companies require more than infinite scheduling. They want visibility into potential work center constraints and are tired of unrealistic production schedules which fail to optimize production capacity. With production execution, most shop floor reporting is done after the fact, which may cause work center efficiency issues to go unnoticed until it's far too late. This ad hoc reporting also causes inventory levels to not be up to date. Because systems can't track detailed production steps or plan versus actual times, key performance indicators are hard to create because you just don't have the visibility or the details you really need. NetSuite has developed a set of leading practices based on our work with thousands of customers over the last 20 years. These leading practices are delivered out of the box and are delivered on day one. They were built to address many of the common business challenges we see in the production process. From flexible finite-based scheduling through reporting, NetSuite Advanced Manufacturing ensures that work proceeds at an even, efficient pace that verifies sufficient resource capacity to meet your scheduling requirements. Advanced Manufacturing allows for the near real-time collection of material, setup time, actual production rates, and any downtime that may have occurred. All wrapped up with over 40 additional reports and key performance indicators for you to better run your business. When you add advanced manufacturing, NetSuite provides 5 additional dedicated roles for you to use, from production manager all the way through shop floor operator. Use our data scanner role with either a scanner or a tablet for reports. In today's demo, we will be leveraging the production control role to take the work orders that have been released from the supply plan or created from sales orders. We will evaluate our capacity to see what work orders should be scheduled, released to the floor, and look at various ways to schedule them. We will flip hats to show you how you can use the tablet to report production. Then we will follow up back in our production manager role to look at some key reports. I'm currently logged in with the production control role. My dashboard is tailored to exactly what I need to see to manage my daily tasks in the most efficient way. I have quick navigation and I'm in complete control. I can review my daily plan by work center. I can also see any material shortages that may impact my decision around releasing work orders or see any production loss trends that may be happening on the floor. I have dashboards and navigation at every tab. This dashboard gives me complete visibility into what work orders should be completed, production results, errors, and any asset downtime that I need to be aware of. Now let's take a look at what my capacity looks like. I can choose by work center, horizon dates, looking at all work orders in my current horizon. I can see what the calendar looks like. In this case, I had the 4th off, and my utilization is looking good through the week of the 14th. But the week of the 17th shows me some work orders that need to be scheduled. I have set up the manufacturing time fence so that I don't put new work orders in my current week. They sit on the Monday of the following week. Now, let's go release some work orders. I have the ability to schedule by location, and I can further define by production class of the bill of materials. I will schedule for the week of the 17th. I can sort the work orders in a variety of ways with primary and secondary sorting options. Maybe I want to sort by age or order priorities. I'm going to sort these work orders by schedule code and then by delivery date. In this example, I'm manufacturing solar attic fans, and they come in gray or black. To save on my setup time, I want to schedule the grays together and then move to black. But in this case, I notice that I have an order that really needs to be completed by the 17th. I can make an executive decision to flip the sorting to be by delivery date and then by schedule code. We can now preview the schedule to see how the system automatically smooths out the plan based on a finite capacity. Since everything looks good, let's go and release those orders. So now let's change hats and flip to the data scanner role and use our tablet. The operator can immediately see a work queue that has been scheduled for them based on the work center they're in. Tablet users can use Quick Search to search for other attributes related to the work order. This includes NetSuite fields and custom fields. I'm going to tap on work order 1694 for operation 10. In real-time mode, my job is easy. Just tap the Start button to start my work order. This is also where I can report any material that is manually issued at this operation. All other material that is flagged as an auto issue is backflashed when I complete this operation. I can report any downtime or scrap reasons here as well. Just tap on the Production button to report the quantity produced, then tap on the Stop button to stop reporting for this operation. Whether it's desktop, tablet, phone, or gun, we have you covered. We have many ways to report labor based on your business requirements or which production resource is responsible to do so. As you saw, the simplest way is to leverage the tablet using the touchscreen. But I can also leverage that same view on a PC or Mac. I can enter production from the desktop, view key performance indicators from my phone, and also leverage barcode scanner. Now let's change hats. Let's go into the production manager role and view some key dashboards and reports. I can see production is being reported from the floor. I also have visibility into any issues that might be happening. Now let's go take a look at some of the sample reports that are included. How about an employee efficiency report? It seems that Aaron is less efficient this week due to some scrap that he reported. I can also see how each work center is doing based on planned versus actual reporting times. This lets me determine if I have any efficiency issues or maybe I need to adjust my capacity to take in consideration that the work order is running slower than expected. As we showed, advanced manufacturing provides many benefits. Real-time information from data collection keeps your inventory correct with an easy-to-use tablet interface. Gain visibility into critical metrics right at your fingertips. No more searching for reports. Keep schedules realistic, which allows the plant to trust versus ignore. And 40 plus additional reports and key performance indicators delivered out of the box. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about NetSuite Advanced Manufacturing.